I'm always looking for a better and easier way to keep the windshield on my car clear from water, ice, and snow, especially in the winter. So I purchased this Rain-X glass sealant. I really love that this sealant is super easy to apply and inexpensive. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use it and show you why I love it. And I'll mention a couple things, well, that just aren't quite perfect. This sealant is perfect for the outside of your windshield. In fact, I suggest you use it on the outside of all of your car's windows because it repels rain and reduces the adhesion of sleet and snow. It seals microscopic pores in the glass with a non-stick invisible barrier, and it allows for easy removal of frost, ice, salt, and bug splatter. It dramatically improves wet weather driving visibility. It's ideal for use on automotive and marine exterior glass for you boaters out there. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description below. And you can get it in either the spray bottle or the non-spray bottle. And it's super easy to use. First, you need to thoroughly clean your windshield. I've got a great video that shows you how to do that. I'll link it in the description down below. Then spray or squirt the Rain-X onto a clean Waffle weave microfiber towel. Spread solution evenly over the windshield to one side at a time using an up and down motion. Once it's hazed up, apply a second coat using a back and forth motion. Once that is hazed up again, using a clean, dry microfiber towel, wipe off all the Rain-X top to bottom and side to side. Keep wiping until all of the Rain-X has been removed. I always prefer a Waffle weave microfiber towel, especially for windows. What I don't like about this treatment is that it only lasts about a month. And in the winter, you might not be able to find a place to reapply that's above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Click here for my video on car windshield cleaning, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.